In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Webex quickly and effortlessly. In just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your meetings have a professional look and that your background distractions remain out of focus. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you typically use. Once your browser window is open, go ahead and type Webex into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be presented with a list of search results. You'll want to click on the first result that comes up, which should take you directly to the official Webex website. When you arrive at the Webex homepage, the next step is to log in. Use your credentials, your email and password, to access your account. If you're already logged in, you'll jump directly to your dashboard where you can access your meetings. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll either start a new call or join an ongoing meeting. This is the first step where having the background blur can really enhance your experience, making sure you're the focal point and not what's happening in your surroundings. Now, let's look closely just below your video feed. You'll see the Stop Video button, which is pretty prominent. Next to it, there's a little down arrow that you might not have noticed before. This arrow is crucial for our task today, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking the arrow brings up a menu with several options to customize your video settings. Among these options, you're going to find the blur feature. It's an incredibly handy tool that will transform your background into a softly focused canvas, allowing you to be the central point of your call. Once you select the blur option, the effect will apply immediately to your video feed in the meeting. Your background will become a gentle blur, keeping whatever is behind you out of clear view. It's that simple. Now, your calls can have that touch of professionalism you're aiming for, without any more worries about random distractions drawing attention away from you. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you now know how to effortlessly apply the background blur effect in Webex. This feature is perfect for maintaining privacy and keeping the focus on you, no matter where you happen to be. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more quick tips on how to get the most out of your digital tools. Have a great day, and enjoy the seamless experience of having a distraction-free video call.